Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs which are based on lesson number 1 for standard 12th Arts, Commerce, Science. So this lesson is regarding advanced web designing. So let us start with the first question. The first question is the dash tag is used to embed audio files on web page. So the answer here is audio because you require audio tag to write any type of audio program. Next question. The OL type is equals to capital A tag defines and dash. So the options are ordered list with numbering type 1 to 3, ordered list with numbering alphabetical type with ABC, ordered list with type Roman small Roman letters, and ordered list with numbering type capital ABC. So as you can see here the type is capital A, so the answer will be last D, order type with capital ABC. Next question. In client side map image mapping dash attribute is used. So the option says is map, use map, map, no map. So if you want to set the attribute in the case of client side image mapping, you have to use map as an attribute. Next question. The tag is used to specify multiple medias. So whenever you want to add more than one audio files, then which tag you are going to use in that case? So the tag which you are going to use is source tag. So source tag is used to specify multiple media resources. Next question. Following is the attribute of video tag. So the question options are name, loop, multiple, and scrolling. So if you want to if you see the attributes of video tag, you have the attribute that is loop. So loop is going to rewind the same video again and again, so that is used for, in the case of loop. Next question. Dash attribute can have the values such as rect, circle, or poly. So the options are area, href, shape, and coords. Now area is a tag. Here the question is demanding for an attribute. So as we all know, rect, circle, polygon, all these are the shapes. So the option C, shape, is the right answer. Next question. Area tag is written inside dash tag. So the options are img, source, map, and no any. So the area tag is written basically inside the map tag. Next question. File format for audio tag can be dash. So the options are .webm, .mp4, .aac, .png. So in the case of only audio tag, we know that .png is used for image, .mp4 is used for video, .mp3 is used for audio, not mp4. So only the left option is .aac, which is used in the case of audio. Next question. The by default positioning for HTML element is dash. So the options are absolute positioning, fixed positioning, static, and relative. So all these are the 4 types of positioning, but by default the position is the static position. Next question. ID can be created by dash characters. So options are percent, @ dollar, dot, hashtag. So the right answer here is hashtag. With the help of hashtag you can create an ID. Okay. Now you have the second section, that is the filling the blanks. You have to write the filling the blanks only in the capital letters. So the first question is dash attribute is used to apply CSS style to the individual input element. So if you want to apply to an individual element, then which type of attribute you have to use in CSS style? So the answer here is class. CLASS, class. Next question. List within another list, either ordered list or unordered list, is called as dash list. So whenever you combine one list in another list, whether it is ordered or unordered, we call it as nested list. Next question. The dash tag creates an inline frame. So how is the inline frame created? So here the answer is iframe. Okay, so you require to write it as iframe. Next question. The service of providing storage space is dash. So the answer here is web hosting. Web hosting. Next question. The attribute which specifies HTML content of the page to show in iframe is dash. So here the attribute is src doc. src doc. So this is the attribute used in iframe. Next question. The regions of an image which are clickable are called as dash regions. So wherever you can click, those regions are called as hotspot. Okay, they are called as hotspots. Next question. The dash attribute specifies an image to be shown until the user hits play button for an video. So here the answer is poster. The answer is poster. Next is full form of AAC is dash. So here the answer is advanced audio coding. So you'll write advanced audio coding. Next is dash attribute specifies the starting number of the first item in an ordered list. So here the answer is start. You have to write here as start. Next question. Dash CSS property is used to control the fonts. So to control the fonts, you have the CSS property as font dash family. So this is what you have to write, font dash family. Next question. To define a definition list, dash tag is used. So here the answer is DL tag. Okay, so DL is the answer which you have to write. Okay, now let us go further for the next question is true or false. First is HTML is an object oriented programming language. So this is wrong. So HTML is not an object oriented programming language. It is hypertext markup language. Next question. SRC code specifies the HTML content of the page to show in iframe. So here the answer is false. Next is an unordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. So here the answer is false because unordered list has a bullet. It do not have 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABC. Next question. We cannot add multiple video files in a single web page. So this is false. We can add multiple video files. Next question. Char set is the style property of CSS. This is false. It is not the style property of CSS. Next, the MCQs with two correct options. The first question is positioning types in CSS are dash and dash. We have already seen that we have 4 types of positioning. Out of them, in this, the options are static, nested, relative, inline, internal. Now, static and relative is the right answer. Nested, inline, internal, these are not the positioning properties of CSS. Next question. Following two are the common attributes of audio and video tag. So, which are commonly seen in both the tags are SRC, this is the attribute which is used in both, and next is loop, which is used in both the tags. Next is CSS are dash and dash. So basically we have 3 types of CSS, but as we are only 2 are asked, so internal and external are the types of CSS. And next is image maps are of 2 types, dash and dash. So the options are JPEG client side, PNG server side map. So image maps are of 2 types, one is client side and second is server side. Next question. Following are common attributes used in video and iframe tag. So the options are SRC and width, which are used in the case of video and iframe tag. So these are the attributes. Next is following are the CSS properties. So which are the CSS properties out of these? The CSS properties are text decoration and color, which we use. Superscript, subscript are not the CSS property. Even char set is not an CSS property. Next question, following are the date picker. So the options are option number 3, input type is equals to date time dash local, and input type is equals to date. So these are the two date pickers. So these are the right answers for this question. Let us move further. The last question is MCQs with 3 correct option. Which are the form controls? So here the options are email, label, audio, search and tell. So the form controls are email, search and tell. So these are the controls. Next question, attributes of area tag are dash. So options are href, src, use map, alt, name and quotes. So here the attributes of area tags are href, alt and quotes. So these are the attributes. Now next question is match the pairs. So here we have two columns, that is column A and column B. Okay, so the first match the pair is UL. The second one is hashtag CSS and use map. So the UL, that is the unordered list, I mean the unordered list. So the options are period dot, hash dot, bulleted list, image mapping and CSS. Now in the case of unordered list we have bullets, so the answer is bulleted list. Next question is hashtag. Okay, so hashtag is used in the case of CSS, as we all know, so it is CSS. Next is CSS. Okay, now CSS consists of the periods and dots. Okay, so that is the right answer. Next is use map. Okay, so use map is used in image mapping, so that is the right answer. Okay, so this is all about the MCQs with 1 correct, 2 correct, along with filling the blanks, match the pairs and true or false. This questionnaire is going to definitely help you in the case of board exams. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.